in an effort to protect property and lives from the damaging effects of earthquakes. Many owners and building codes call for the use of seismic isolation, and one company more than any other provides the solution: Dynamic Isolation Systems. Over the past 30 years, DIS has completed over 450 unique and challenging projects around the world. No one has completed more isolation projects in more countries than DIS. Isolation decouples structures or equipment from the ground. When the earth moves during a seismic event, the building and its contents are undamaged. DIS is an industry pioneer and continues to develop and add technologies to their growing list of seismic solutions, such as Viscous Wall Dampers, or VWDs. Viscous Wall Dampers consists of a narrow steel tank connected to the lower floor that contains a highly viscous fluid. Within the tank, connected to the upper floor, is an inner steel plate or vane. During seismic excitation or in strong winds, the relative floor movement causes the vane to move through the viscous fluid. The dampening force from the shearing action of the fluid is dependent on the displacement and velocity of the relative motion. VWDs may also be constructed with two vanes, which provide twice the dampening force with only a small increase in the thickness of the VWD. Used in new or existing, flexible, medium to high-rise buildings, VWDs reduce wind-induced oscillations and inter-story drifts caused by seismic accelerations by up to 50%. Reduced lateral displacements and superstructure stresses lessen the amount of structural steel required. These savings alone more than offset the cost of the wall damper system. Viscous wall dampers may be designed to fit typical building openings. Their compact, rectangular shape makes them easier to accommodate than diagonal braces or dampers, allowing for more architectural flexibility. In retrofits, VWDs avoid the costly strengthening of beam column joints. Viscous wall dampers have been successfully used in more than 100 structures over the past 25 years. These buildings perform better and are more economical than those with conventional dampers. Viscous wall dampers are maintenance-free. They have no seals, and the viscous fluid is not under pressure. The first structure in the U.S. to use DIS viscous wall dampers was the Geary Van Ness Medical Center in San Francisco. Dynamic Isolation Systems designed and manufactured 113 VWDs for this $1.6 billion project. To ensure quality and performance, the wall dampers were tested on DIS's in-house test rig, the largest purpose-built viscous wall damper test rig in the world. As part of the vigorous OSHPD review, prototype tests on 5 dampers were performed at the University of California, San Diego's SRMD testing facility. The dampers were tested to a variety of displacements and velocities in single and bidirectional conditions. Over 100 cycles of seismic displacement tests demonstrated consistent and predictable performance of the damper. Further, a 2,000 cycle wind displacement test per ASCE 7-05 was performed to confirm the adequacy of the damper for wind conditions. For more information about viscous wall dampers or any Dynamic Isolation Systems seismic protection solution, call us at 775-359-3333. Email us or visit our website www.dis-inc.com.